Hello friends, this is Sandeepan here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we have learned all the basics about tuples in Python with different examples. So today we are going to discuss about different tuple methods in a great details with examples. So without any further ado, let's get started. So similar to the list methods, Python comes with two methods that we can apply on a tuple. So before going to the method, let's create a tuple first. So numbers equals inside parenthesis 6, 7, 3, 6, 10, 12, 5, 6, 8, 5. So now we have two main methods. Number 1, count. It returns the number of times a specified value occurs in a tuple. So, if I try to print the count of 6 in the numbers tuple, we can do it like this. Print numbers dot count and inside parenthesis 6. So it is printing 3. Also, we can see that there are 3 sixes in the tuple. So the output is as expected. Now number 2, index. This method will search for a specified value in the tuple and returns the position of where it is found. But if the specified element is not found, it will throw a value error. So let's see an example. So considering the same numbers tuple, if I try to find the index of 5, we can do it like this. Print numbers dot index and inside parenthesis 5. So 6 will be printed as it is found at the index 6. Now here's another thing to remember. The index method finds the first occurrence of the specified value. So here in our example we have 3 5s in our tuple, but it finds only the first occurrence of the 5. Now additionally, we can use the Python built-in functions like sum, min, max, etc. with tuples too. For example, if we want to find the sum of all the elements of the numbers tuple, we can do it like this. Print sum and inside parenthesis numbers. So it is printing the sum as 68. You can calculate it manually too. I am pretty sure you will find the same answer. Now we can find the minimum and maximum numbers also by the following way. Print min and inside parenthesis numbers, and again print max and inside parenthesis numbers. So 3 and 12 are printed respectively as expected. Also, as a bonus tip, we can use slicing and comprehension techniques with tuples too. Yes, that's true. Let's see an example. So, if we want to create a new list using the existing values of the tuple, we can do it like this. Print and inside square brackets x into x for x in numbers. So here you can see it will take the values from the numbers tuple and create a new list of the squared value of the numbers tuple. I have already explained the list comprehension technique in a great details in my previous tutorials. So you can check that video for reference. The link will be given into the description below. Now let's see an example of slicing a tuple. So if I want to print only the part of the tuple starting from index 1 up to index 4, we can do it this way. Print numbers and inside square brackets 1 colon 5. So it will give a new tuple containing only the values in the specified range, that is 7, 3, 6, 10. I have also explained the list slicing technique in a great details in one of my previous tutorials, so you can check that video for reference. The link will be given into the description below. So that's all for today. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, give a thumbs up, share the video with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can create more such helpful contents for you. Hope to see you in my next videos. Till then, goodbye.